Practice English listening. The new neighbor. It's a bright Saturday morning, and Anna is excited. She just heard that a new family has moved into the house next door. Anna loves meeting new people, and she can't wait to say hello to her new neighbors. Mom, can I go next door to meet the new family? Anna asks eagerly. Sure, Anna. Her mom replies with a smile. Why don't you bring them some of the cookies we baked yesterday as a welcome gift? That's a great idea, Anna says. She runs to the kitchen, takes a few chocolate chip cookies from the jar, and puts them on a small plate. She carefully covers them with a napkin and heads outside. As Anna walks up to the house next door, she sees a moving truck in the driveway and a man carrying a box inside. She takes a deep breath and knocks on the door. A few moments later, a woman with a friendly smile opens the door. Hello, Anna says shyly. My name is Anna. I live next door, and I wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood. She holds out the plate of cookies. The woman's face lights up. Oh, thank you so much, Anna. That's very kind of you. My name is Mrs. Turner, and it's lovely to meet you. Would you like to come in and meet my family? Anna nods eagerly. Yes, please. Mrs. Turner steps aside, and Anna walks into the house. Inside, she sees boxes everywhere and some furniture still wrapped in plastic. A boy about her age is sitting on the floor, opening a box labeled Toys. He looks up when he sees Anna. Hi, I'm Anna, she says, waving. Hi, I'm Ben. The boy replies with a smile. Are you my new neighbor? Yes, I live right next door, Anna says. I brought some cookies to welcome you. Thanks, Anna, Ben says. I love cookies. Do you want to help me unpack my toys? Sure, Anna replies. She sits down next to Ben and starts helping him take toys out of the box. There are cars, action figures, and even a set of colorful building blocks. As they play, Ben's dad walks into the room. Hello there, he says. You must be Anna. Thanks for coming over to say hello. Anna smiles. You're welcome. I'm glad to meet you all. As Anna and Ben continue to unpack, they talk about their favorite things. I like drawing and playing soccer, Anna says. What about you? I love playing video games and riding my bike, Ben replies. Maybe we can ride bikes together sometime? I'd like that, Anna says happily. Mrs. Turner comes back into the room, carrying a tray with glasses of lemonade. Here you go, kids. It's important to take a break and stay hydrated, she says with a smile. Thank you, Mom, Ben says as he takes a glass. Anna takes a glass too. Thank you, Mrs. Turner, she says. The lemonade is cool and refreshing. After they finish their lemonade, Anna helps Ben set up his toys in his new room. They place his action figures on a shelf and line up his toy cars neatly in a row. Your room is starting to look great, Anna says. Thanks, Anna. I'm glad you're my neighbor, Ben replies. This is much more fun than unpacking alone. I'm glad too, Anna says. I think we're going to have a lot of fun together. As the morning turns into afternoon, Anna realizes it's time to go home. I should get back now, but if you need any help, just let me know, she says. Thanks, Anna. You've been a big help, Mrs. Turner says, giving her a warm smile. We're so happy to have such a friendly neighbor. Anna waves goodbye and walks back to her house, feeling happy. She knows she's made a new friend, and she can't wait to spend more time with Ben and his family. As she enters her house, her mom asks, How did it go? It went great, Mom. Ben is really nice, and I think we're going to be good friends, Anna says with a big smile. I'm glad to hear that, Anna, her mom says. It's always nice to welcome new neighbors. Anna nods. Yes, it is. I'm so glad I went over to say hello. She looks out the window at Ben's house and feels excited for all the fun they will have together. She knows that a simple act of kindness, like bringing over some cookies, can lead to a wonderful new friendship.